Welcome to application of cosine and sine rule. We have M as the center, and then there's a circular base there. This is a circular base. We have PQ and RQ at tangents at point P and R. That's PQ and that's RQ as tangents. And then we have that part. Remember, it's not drawn up according to scale. And then we have height, that's 36 meters. That's our height. And then we have RQ there. RQ is 10.3 meters. So which means even PQ is, since they're tangents, the same. And then RPQ, that one there, is 54 degrees. And then required to find the size of Q. So the size of Q, we take a special part. So that's our triangle there. Okay, so we sketch that triangle. Okay, let's just sketch it again. And again. Yeah, let's look better. So we have P, we have R, then we have 54 degrees. And that should also be 54 degrees. Okay, so let's calculate. So we have Q there. So that's interior angle of the triangle, adds to 180. So we have Q plus 2 times 54. That will give us 180. And then that means Q is going to be 180 minus that's going to be 2 times 54. That's 108. So 108. And then we have 180. 180 minus 108. That will give us 72 degrees. So that's our Q. Now Q is going to be 180 degrees minus 72. No, it's supposed to be minus 108. Yeah, minus 108 degrees to give us 72 degrees. The reason that's sum of interior angle of triangle. That's our reason. So we get 2 marks there. Now calculate the length of PR. We're told that RQ is 10.3, and then we have there 72 degrees, and then yeah, that's degrees. So what we need to do, we need to use the so RPQ, that's 54. So what you're going to do, we're going to use sine rule. Okay, so sketch, you can see the sketch of the Q looks a bit smaller, but that's because of the sketch is not according to scale. So we have sine that over that, and then sine that over PR. So that's going to be sine 72 degrees over PR is equals to sine 54 degrees over 10.3. Okay, so that we cross multiply, so that's going to be PR multiplied by sine 54 degrees to give us 10.3 multiplied by sine 72 degrees. Now we divide, but since we had PR, so we divide sine 54 degrees out. So divide by sine 54 degrees, and that cancels that, and then we have let's see, we have 110.3 multiplied by sine 72, and all of that divided by sine 54 degrees. That gives us 12.108, so it means 12.11. So PR is going to be 12.11 meter. So that's the answer for 7.2. I involve all the steps just for understanding, but it's that much easy if you're just doing it for yourself at a faster rate. So volume is pi r squared, which is the area times height, and then that's r squared is equals to what, so we need to find r. Now we're gonna do a spatial triangle there, so that's gonna be m r, and then we have that one there as 90 degrees, so we have p there and we have r, and let's do a calculation. That's 90 minus 54 for one side, so that's going to be 36 degrees, and that's also going to be 36 degrees, and that one there. Then we have 180 degrees minus 2 times 36 degrees to find m, so that's 180 minus 2 multiplied by 36, that gives us 108. So 1 gives 108, so that means we have 108 degrees right there. So now we know that PR there, we told that is 12.11 meter, and that means what we're going to do, we're going to use sine rule once again, and then pi is volume is pi times r squared times height, and then we're going to use, we want to find r, that's going to be sine 108 degrees over 12.11, so that is that side over that side. Okay, so that would be sine again, sine of that angle, which is sine 36 degrees over r, so which means it's sine of one angle over the opposite side, and cross multiplication once again. Okay, multiply that, so we have r times sine 108 degrees is equivalent to 12.11 multiplied by sine 36 degrees, and then divide out sine 108, and that'll be all that over sine 108. Okay, so 108 degrees, so that cancels that, so we have r there as, let's use our calculation, 12 times 11 times okay, bracket there, multiplied by sine 36 degrees plus bracket, so that gives us our answer there, divide by sine 1, so that's 7,48439. So that r is going to be 7.4843916. Okay, what's the remaining digits? 04. So r squared there is going to be, use our calculator, we square our answer. Answer squared is 56.016111768. So 56.016111768. Okay, so now we use the volume equation there. Our height is, that's our height there. Our height is 36. Okay, so that's 36 there. So our volume now is going to be pi multiplied by r squared is 56.016111768. All that multiplied by 36. Using a calculator once again, so we have pi multiplied by 56.016111768 6.8 multiplied by 36 to give us 6.35. This is gonna be 6.35.27 meter cubed. That's our final answer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow or subscribe. Thank you.